Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing problems on Black Shark gaming tablet. Okay, so let's begin by going to the settings and adjusting a few things. When you go to the settings and connected devices, the first thing that you should try to do is go to the device, finding the device that is, if it is connected, or if it is or was connected. If it was connected, you'll see it in saved devices. If it is connected, you'll find it in media devices, and click on the button, on the settings button next to it, and click on forget. Then try pairing again. So I'll do it. I'll just put them in pairing mode. Different devices are put in pairing mode differently. So you may want to, for many devices that are common, you may want to find a video on our channel on how to put it in pairing mode. If you don't know, then you can click on pair, or even watch a video on how to pair it to an Android device, because we have those videos. Now you may also want to go to connection preferences, go to Bluetooth, turn it off, wait half a minute, I'll wait less, and then turn it on and try reconnecting. So that may fix the issue. If it didn't, try restarting your tablet by pressing and holding on the power button, then tapping on restart. I'll get back to you when it's done. Okay, and now I'll unlock it, and if that didn't help, try going to the settings and going to system, then go to system updates and see if there's an update available by clicking on check for updates. If there's none, then you can't do anything, but if it shows you there's an update, then you will have a download and install button, and you should be able to install the update. Now if that didn't help, then you may want to reset your Bluetooth settings, but that before you do it, resetting Bluetooth settings also resets Wi-Fi settings. So if you are unsure if you will be able to know the passwords to your important Wi-Fi networks, I recommend before that going to network and internet, then going to internet and finding saved networks. Then if there's any important network that you will need to connect to in the future, and you don't have the password saved anywhere, then click on that network, click on share, and it will display your Wi-Fi password here. Then you can write it down or just screenshot it. I'll do it, power and volume down, then it'll be saved to your gallery. Now let's go back. Let's go back to the main page, and now once you're sure you have your password set, then you can go to system, go to reset options, reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click on reset. Then of course you'll need to reconnect to internet networks, but let's go to Bluetooth. Let's click on pair new device. I'll put my earphones in pairing mode. They should appear here shortly. If they didn't, then I can go back and click on pair new device. Okay, there they are. I can now pair them and they will work. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.